guys, welcome once again to a new video. Today I will show you how to disassemble this type of unit. This is NESCAFE DOLCE GUSTO Ifinissima. The code for this is made by KRUPS. It's KP1708110, but it's also known as KP170. So this is how it looks like, more or less like a swan shape. And by the looks of it, looks a little bit complicated to disassemble, but I will show you it's basically easy to disassemble, and you have access to all the internals. So for this you will have to remove the cup holder here, and then here you have to open this latch and remove this capsule holder, put it aside. Of course, this the water tank for this is already removed, so you only have to pull it up, and then this is the bare unit. So in case you only need to work on the main board, the heater element, or the pump, this is located in this base here inside. I will show you. For this you have to remove 4 screws. One is located here in the middle, 2 of them located here, and another one here, so 4 in total. If you want to access the switch here and also some hoses inside, then you have to remove also this trim. For this you have to remove 1 screw here and 2 screws over here, and also another 2 inside the base, so 9 screws in total. So let's get to it and start removing screws. For this you will need a T10 Torx with a hole in the middle. So this is how it looks like. I hope the camera will focus. So it's a T10 Torx with a hole in the middle. First of all, we will remove this one here. And the 2 located here. One here and one in the other hole. Okay, have to wiggle them a little bit. These are some stubborn screws. I will take a tweezer to remove them. Okay, so we removed also this one. So we remove the 3 screws, 1 here, 2 over here, and then we will go underneath. Here we have 1 here in the middle. For this you will need a longer screwdriver because they are way back here in the hole. One here, another one here, and one here in this place. Sorry if I'm not always in the frame, but this is a big unit. Okay, and another one over here. Once you remove all these 4 screws, then you only have to pull up on this bottom housing and you have access to the whole internal. So you can see here the heater element. This is the housing for the main PCB board, and here is the pump, and all the hoses are going through this swan neck from here all the way to the injection head. Okay, so in order to remove the interior housing, this one here, we need to remove these side covers. For this, you have to have a pry tool here, like this, and you just pry these parts like this. This is already loose, and you have here in the middle another latch or clip. The same on the other side. Don't worry, this is some really hard plastic, and you see these sides are removed also. And now on the sides here you have one clip over here and one clip over here. You can unclip it with your hand like this, and also on the other side, and leave it unclipped here. And for on the bottom side, here is a tricky part. You have 2 additional screws which are not quite accessible. If you see, one is here and one is underneath this hose here, so you will need again a long screwdriver to access these screws. So I don't know if you see what I'm doing here, but I will use a tweezer to remove, okay, one screw, and again the other one just beneath this white orange hose. You have to move it a little bit aside and you will see the screw there. So like this. And let's take the trusty tweezer. The screw here. And now we have removed all the screws. Now it's only a matter of prying this housing. Start from this side and work your way all the way on this side. You can okay, and also on the other side, and work your way here. Additional inside here and here on this side there are 2 additional clips. In order to unclip that, you will need to hardly put your hand on this side and wiggle it around and just pry it, and you see it is removed. And then just pull it up a little bit. Oh, here it's flipped again. So you see now it's completely removed. So you see here the two clips that I was talking about. And now you have access to the gasket here if it's leaking, also some wiring, also here the switch if you have problems with the switch, the cup, sorry, the capsule holder sensor here, and yeah, other mechanisms here. So yeah, more than this it's not needed. In this way, in less than 10 minutes you can fully disassemble this unit and you can work on all the elements. The process to put it all back again, it's only the same but the other way around. So I consider it a medium to easy process to do for anybody. Just be sure you have this type of Torx bits, which is the same for all Nescafe or yeah, Nescafe Dolce Gusto units. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you want to see other type of repair or disassembly. And yeah, see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.